In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Messenger for both sides. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's actually very simple. So I have this particular message that I have sent to this particular person, and as you can see, that person has already seen this one. Now I'm just going to go ahead and delete, say for example, this message here. This was sent on August 5, that is 10 days later or 10 days earlier. So I'm just going to try to delete this one. I can go ahead and long press it, tap the more option down below. Oops. Alright, tap the more option and then tap remove, and then you have the unsend button here. So if you're going to tap the unsend button, it is going to unsend from you and from that particular person, meaning you guys will not be able to see it anymore. However, there is going to be a message left out saying that you have unsent a message, indicating that you have somehow deleted a message that was before here. Now, regardless of when you have sent this one, you can actually do this. So for example, we have here, this was sent in February 15, that was like 1 year ago. You can just go ahead and long press that one, tap the more option, tap remove, and then tap the unsend button. So basically that is how it is, everybody. It's very simple. I hope you learned something from this video.